Hey man, I got some really good news about the upcoming Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. I can't wait for the drop, but if y'all been seeing and checking the market lately, these things are already floating around and selling on major platforms. We gotta talk about them in today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man, from your boy DeVintage. You know we got to come back and chop it up with you guys. We've been going live a lot lately, and not everybody watched the live stream, so that's why I feel obligated to drop this video for everybody, for the masses, for the entire sneak community, may it be, you know what I'm saying, whoever taps in. Hopefully this video gives you a better, standing of what is going to happen next month in May. It's a crazy month to drop. I'm talking about it's going to be a lot of money on spent in May. It's crazy. It is what it is, man. I've already, kind of made myself clear, like, yo, I'm going to spend this money for these sneakers. I had to put the money aside, man, because it's going to be a crazy month. And the good thing is not that many sneakers releasing in April, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop. And like I said in my last video, man, we've been lacking a little bit with the likes, man. We've been lacking with the like button. I don't know what's been going on, but we want to get every video up to 400 likes, and I know we can do it, man. We did it the last video when I, made it aware to y'all, man. We got to get 400 on today's video, man. Smack that like button. You guys know good vibes, positive vibes all 2024. So help your boy out by hitting that like button and subscribing if you're new. All right, like I said, man, we got to talk about these Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. Before we talk about those, I got to get a quick little intermission. I made a couple of videos already. We will be getting the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic. Bam! Check these joints out right here. And we also will be getting the Air Jordan 12 Flu Games. Hopefully they do not ruin these two classic drops right here. Hopefully they make them truest to that OG form. I don't think you can mess up the Flu Games, but I definitely think it's some work to be done on these black metallic joints right here. So hopefully we get a better toe box, hopefully get a better fit overall, sneaker in general with the black metallics. And we also will be getting the Air Jordan 9 Cool Grays, man. That's just 3 heaters, 3 OG classics. Well, 3 classics, 2 OGs that we will be getting next year. And I'm telling y'all right now, I'm calling it, bro. I'm calling it right now. I'm gonna try to, step this joint real quick. Hopefully Jordan Brand is watching. I think that we should get the Air Jordan 4 white cements next year, along with the Gamma Air Jordan 11s. It only makes sense. It's only right. They dropping everything, about 9 to 10 years after the drop. If y'all don't know, the white cements dropped back in 2016 as well. So hopefully we getting them things next year. And even if they do a reimagined spinoff, I won't be mad at it. But back to the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. I know y'all like, yo, we don't care about that. What's going on with the Air Jordan 4s? I know you've seen by the title. You probably seen by the thumbnail, man. It's gonna be literally, well, I ain't gonna say literally. I ain't gonna say impossible. It's gonna be it's gonna be hard to not get a pair for retail because the new updated stock is over 1.7 million pairs, bro. 1.7. When I first made a video about this joints, they said it was 750,000. I said, yo, we good bread. And I dropped another million on top of what was initially rumored for that 750,000 pairs on the military blue. So we good, bro. We gotta be good, man. 1.7 million pairs of these joints. So Jordan, like, you know what? This might be one of the best drops of the year. So let's push the release date back a little bit. Let's hit them with a couple shop drops, exclusive access. And while we're doing that, let's make some extra pairs. Now I'm very interested in seeing what these production dates are going to be. I feel like they literally push the release date back to make more pairs because when we first get those, rumors about the stock and stuff like that, the people aren't far off. They're not far off at all. But it's crazy how they went from 700-some thousand to 1.7 million within the 2 months of them pushing the drop back. So hopefully, bro, we get that 1.7 million. I know everybody gonna be trying to double up, triple up, and it don't really matter, you feel me, about the resale value and stuff like that. People really want these military blues. They haven't dropped in forever, so people are gonna be putting that energy, that time towards copping the Air Jordan 4 military blues. I know I gotta get 2 pair. I gotta get just two pair of military blues. You guys seen what I did with the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagines, which that sneaker right there is, I'm just gonna let them sit right there. We ain't gonna talk too much about them, but the Rare Reimagines, definitely a fire colorway. And I might be, more on the side of the military blue 4s is what I'm liking so far, because I already got the 2019 breads, you feel me? So I'm just more excited for the Air Jordan 4 military blues, man. So yeah, 1.7 million pairs, bro. You heard it here, man. This ain't cap, bro. This is all around different sneaker groups, Discords, IGs, and even some of my most favorite YouTubers are even talking about this type of stuff, because it's kind of hard to believe that they're dropping this many pairs for one, Air Jordan 4 and a military blue, which is not really, it's not an OG colorway. It's just a classic colorway. You know what I'm saying? We label classic and OGs two separate things. OG, you know what I'm saying? Jordan actually wore them joints on court. He was rocking them and stuff like that. But classics, you feel me? Cool Gray 9 is a classic. Air Jordan 5 Cool Gray is a classic. And even these Air Jordan 4 military blues is definitely a classic colorway that everybody seems to want out of nowhere. So if you guys did learn a thing or two in the video, man, I need you guys to leave a huge like on this joint. And if you are new here, man, subscribe. Give you guys updates on what is going on in the sneaker community almost on the daily. And we've been going live a lot lately, so I've been telling y'all, bro, if you ain't got that notification bell lit, hit that joint right now. And I don't know if you guys remember, a couple of days ago I made a video and I said I gotta unbox a crazy pair of Jordan sneakers, and I still haven't got to them. I'm gonna let them sit for a while. I gotta get my energy to right, you know, so I gotta make sure I know what to say in the video, because I'm kind of in between my feelings on pulling the trigger on such an expensive sneaker. So we're gonna let these sit right here for a while, and then, you know, when the time is right, the time will be right for me to unbox them and kind of talk to you guys about my purchase and why I'm low-key happy, but then again, I'm low-key regretting it at the same time. I hope I didn't give it away, but stay tuned. But like I said, hit the notification bell. And if you took an L on the Brand for Reimagines, that you was a little close, you was close to getting them for retail, like you was a little close to getting them, I think your chances are going to definitely amass, and you will get a way better opportunity at getting the military blue 4s. I want everybody to get a pair. Everybody watching today's video, I'm pretty sure you're gonna get a pair, because I'm gonna let you guys know where to go, how to get them, where to put them raffles at, what's first come, first serve, and all that stuff, man. So this could be the sneaker of the year, but I'm also hearing that the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements are a little bit more on a higher spectrum. Like, people really want the Black Cement 3s. I don't know why, because I feel like that joint just released recently, but now that they're doing a remastered instead of a reimagined, that's just make them a little bit more hype. I don't know, bro. I don't know what's going on with the Black Cement 3s, but me, myself, I might cop, but I already got a pair of the older Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. My pair is in pristine condition with that nice tumble leather they put on there, but I don't know. You know me, I might still end up copping them. Who knows? I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It means so much, man. And hopefully everybody already smacked that like button, dropped a couple comments or two, and already subscribed if you're new to the channel. I love y'all. Appreciate you guys for tuning in again. With all that's been said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.